Hey guys, welcome to Fazila's Artistry. In today's video, I am going to show you another pre-cap of a digital art I did, which is again a very simple one, which I did during the lectures of my professors in the class. So whenever I'm with my iPad and pencil and somehow I'm bored with the lecture, I end up drawing something, like anything. So this is one of those anything paintings, which turned out to be a very simple one. I just drew some circles and thought that it might be a frog. Then I colored it like a frog and tried to match the colors, give some animation, but then I failed to do the animation as I'm not quite well known with fresco functionalities, which I'm trying to learn. I will be learning, and I will show you in the videos the tutorials of how to use fresco, which is I'm planning to do. So stay tuned. Well, if you like to see a certain type of video, then let me know in the comment section. And thank you for being with me for this long. I hope this video didn't bore you much. So goodbye.